Hi everyone, if you want to learn how to edit videos in CapCut like a pro, I recommend watching this video course all the way through. Let's start by downloading CapCut desktop to your computer or MacBook. Open in a browser and type CapCut.com. And on a page that opens, you can download CapCut for both your computer and MacBook. Now, let's see how to download CapCut on Windows using Microsoft Apps. Open Microsoft Apps, type CapCut in the search bar, and follow the instruction to install. If you have a MacBook, open the App Store, type CapCut in the search bar, and install app. Sometimes you may have difficulty accessing CapCut through your browser, Microsoft Apps, or App Store. In this case, you may need to use VPN with multiple servers, which I link in the description. Turn on VPN, and then try searching for CapCut.com in your browser, CapCut in Microsoft Apps, or in the App Store. If you want to get CapCut Pro for free, watching the following video or click the link in the top right corner. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.